Wild animal trivia that's almost unbelievable. Birds have a special ability to find and use landmarks to navigate during their long migrations. This skill works like a built-in GPS, helping them travel accurately over great distances. Starfish are interesting marine animals. They can turn their stomachs inside out, which helps them digest food outside their bodies. Male dogs lift their legs to urinate to mark their territory. By aiming higher on objects, they communicate their presence and convey a sense of size and dominance to other dogs. Did you know that approximately 2/3 of shark attacks on humans occur in waters that are less than 6 feet deep? It's an important reminder to stay vigilant while enjoying the ocean. Stay tuned for more surprising animal facts.